Okay, it's about lunchtime. Let's take a look at the progress that happened so far. As you can see, we chipped up. Everything looks nice and clean. We're going to have to wash that down for the cool deck that's going on there. The coping is nice and clean, not broke. Look over there. And it's a lot thicker than we thought it was, obviously. Alright, some pieces are pretty thick. 1.5 inches. Alright. As you can see, when we do it, we get all the way down to the concrete and get everything off so that it's ready for just to wash and put down your new coatings. 561-907-9541. Get it done the right way the first time. No dirt in the pool. Quality work all through South Florida. River Rock, Chattahoochee, whatever you want removed, give us a holler. 561-907-9541. From 1 coats to 10 coats, we'll get it all off no matter what. Even if your screen enclosure is setting on it, don't worry about it. We'll take care of that also. Look at how nice and neat it is. We keep it clean, we keep it safe, and we don't get any stuff in your pool, as you can see. Alright. 561-907-9541. Chattahoochee, River Rock, coating removal. All through South Florida. 30 years experience. We do it the right way the first time.